But what I'm saying, the time is too low. Actually, what I'm saying that there's no time.
Today,
Just 3-4 hours.
5th
And what is the accommodation rate?
June 2021. We are at
Okay, yes, but what is the
Ikoi,
accommodation rate over?
a 10 minutes drive from our state, the DDU state.
There's no.
We came here to inquire about
So
the
36,000
Inagbe
plus
beach and
45,000
resorts.
for the room.
They take
I beg your pardon?
through boat this place
Okay.
from here.
But there's no cabana.
My
But
friend
there's
is
no cabana.
checking with the guy. This is the main hub of Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. This place is Victoria Island. You can see the view. The big two towers is 1004. The biggest state. Most of the expats are staying in this compound, in these towers. There are many Indians who are also staying in these towers. A very nice and beautiful view of the sea.
It would be better for us to go early. Yes, early, like maybe by 9 o'clock.
You can also view the Civic Towers, a very famous tower
6 people, then what will happen? Like how much?
in the center of
Total,
Lagos,
right? Total.
Victoria Island.
Oh.
Backside of Civic Tower,
7,500 for 6 people.
you can view three
We can bring up.
similar towers.
So in that one,
That is the Eco Court Estate, which is very near to my office, a walking distance from my office at Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. On the left hand side, you can view the Lakey. See the boat.
Why like that? Why like that? Why discount will not be available?
On the extreme left, after the two constructing towers which are in construction stage, there is the Oriental Hotel. See the view. A very nice hotel. You can also view the KPMG building in between the two towers of the 1004. Yes, this is the parking spot for going to the Inagbe beach resort. view from inside the car. Hi, do you
Hi.
want to say something about this place?
Yeah, this is a new place for us. We just came for the inquiry for Inagbe Resort, and I think we have came late.
Yes.
And from here, what I have inquired that the ride is through boat, 20 minutes drive to and fro, but the time is too late because they will just come back by 5. So it's not suggested that we should go by this late time. If anybody wants to come here, they should come early morning. Early morning means 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, and have a good time to spend in the resort. And that will be a proper time to go there and stay. Give them some time.
So they leave by 9 also.
9 o'clock they leave.
Okay, then
8:30, 9 o'clock.
So it's worth coming at 9, and because otherwise you can't spend a good amount of time and you have to pay the same amount of money.
True.
So if anyone want to go to the Inagbe beach resorts, it is advisable to come early in the morning,
Yeah.
because the boat will come back at 5 o'clock in the evening.
Yes.
And
Show them the view.
yeah, I already see the view. This is in the center of the Victoria Island, Lagos, from where the boats will be taken you to the Inagbe beach resorts. So today anyway we are not going for this, we will go some other place. Let us check it out. Thank you.